This is DOMS mechanical pencil. This pencil cost rupees 10, and this pencil is 0.7 mm tip mechanical pencil from DOMS. Comes with a nice pack, basic mechanical pencil, 0.7 mm tip, but they are not giving any free leads here. At this price point, rupees 10, it is the basic model. Even DOMS name embossed in the clip. Nice touch. The color, dark blue and the gray color, looks fantastic in this pencil. Even the eraser is not having any cap. The eraser opens up for inserting the lead. The second way, even the lead just plastic all over. Nice rubberized grip. A basic model pencil at this price point, rupees 10 from DOMS. The interesting thing here is the grip, bulky rubberized grip, and the shade. The black shade of this pencil is darker. While compared with many brands, we already used Camlin 0.7 mm tip is more darker than many other brands. Now DOMS. This dark color is nice for a 10 rupees mechanical pencil from DOMS. It just wobbles, not a sturdy build from DOMS, but the dark lead gives a nice touch from DOMS. Thanks for watching.